Ito, ganito, para tabi sila.
Para sa guest niyo po to, kasi sa paulo. Anong preference? Yun, sabi ko nga, para sa inyo.
Parang anak nila kakasal sa pero dalawang lalaki yung kakasal. Anak ni lalaki at anak ni Snoopy lalaki. Kakasal sila sa Hawaii.
Nagkita pa siya.
Yes, kita ko din.
Mga 6 years pa.
Ganda naman itong babae na to.
In fairness,
Nakapunta.
partner tayo.
Yeah, ang dami nga nakaganito dahil. Ang dami nakaganito, naka-blue and ano.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a night of celebrating Philippine cinema. Kindly make your way to the hall and settle down. The edits will begin in a few moments.
Ay, grabe. Ano ba mga secret?
Anak, sing.
The
Video.
country's most respected actresses. English pa, hindi ko basahin ito. From film to television, bawat karakter ay binigyan niya ng lalim, grace at authenticity.
Siya, nanatiling relevant sa nagbabagong panahon, naging inspirasyon din siya sa maraming artista sa pamamagitan ng kanyang professionalism, versatility, and love for her artistry. Ladies and gentlemen, an artist whose influence continues to transcend generations. Please welcome our Eddie's movie icon, idolo ng aking kabataan, nagpaiyak sa akin ng maraming beses, Miss Janice de Belen.
Maraming salamat sa Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Nung una po akong humarap sa camera, never ko na-imagine na makakatanggap ako ng award. This award or any kind of award. Ang importante sa akin nun, mabili ko yung Hello Kitty ko at gawin ko yung best. So, I've been in this industry for almost 5 decades. And showbiz has been my second home. I thank the industry for giving me endless opportunities, invaluable lessons, lifelong friends, and unforgettable memories. This industry also taught me resilience, humility, and the importance of showing up kahit minsan parang sobrang hirap. But this is not me alone. Gusto ko rin pong i-share tong award na to sa lahat ng direktor na naniwala sa akin. Sa lahat ng writers na nagtiwala at ipinagkatiwala ang mga unforgettable characters. And we're doing the best that we can. I'd like to thank, of course, the entertainment editors for always watching us with appreciative hearts and critical eyes. Nang dahil sa inyo, pilit namin ginagalingan ang aming trabaho. And because of recognitions like this, you have allowed us to still be passionate and to continue what we are doing and letting us know that what we do still matters. Thank you rin sa lahat ng mga artistang nakatrabaho ko. Because of you, you have inspired me to always do better with every project. And I have learned lessons from each one of you. Popoy, thank you for being with me in this journey. I thank my children, my family, my grandchildren. I thank you for your unconditional love, your understanding, and your unconditional support through good times and bad. Just know that you are the source of my strength and my inspiration. Of course, gusto kong you've welcomed me in your homes and in your hearts. At dahil sa inyo, nandito pa rin po ako sa industriya nito. And most of all, I would like to thank God for the talent, for the opportunities, for the blessings. Everything I have and everything I am comes from Him. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo.